Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making a burger pie. Please be patient as I prepare some of the ingredients from scratch because I do not have store-bought one. For breadcrumbs, place bread slices in a food processor and blend them until they are fine. Put breadcrumbs in a bowl, then add an egg. I had lots of egg whites I had stored, so I'm using them. Then add milk and mix well. On top of the bread paste, add minced meat or ground beef, salt and pepper, then chopped spice, barbecue spice, oregano or oregano, and smoked paprika or plain paprika if you don't have a smoked one. Crush coriander seeds or use fresh coriander. Can buy them from Food Lovers Market or Woolies. I'm not sure of other supermarkets. Add garlic powder. Mine was stone hard. I had to grate it. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Because some of the little rocks were not crushing, I decided to crush them using a pestle and mortar to make it more fine. Add the garlic to the mince, then knead the mince, not too hard, just enough to mix it well, then stop to avoid overmixing. Add oil if it's too dry and continue mixing. A very warm welcome to those who are new to this channel. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Subscribing is free. Shape the mince either using your hands to make a round ball, flattish on top, or use a food stacker. As a token of support, please run the ads or buy me coffee using the super thanks button below. From this mince, I had 10 patties. for the family of 5. Once all the patties are shaped, cover them with a cling wrap, then set them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Can be more. Meanwhile, let's caramelize the onions. Heat the pan and add oil. Fry the sliced onions. I had finely chopped 2. I decided to use them as well. Add some thyme leaves. Those black dots are thyme leaves. This is how you take them off from the stems. Stir seldom so that you can give the onions time to caramelize or to get charred. Once they begin to soften, add garlic, chopped garlic, stir. Then add sugar and stir. Adding sugar is optional, but it gives caramelized onion great flavor. Add balsamic vinegar. If you don't have balsamic vinegar, no need to add even the sugar. You can just fry your onions only. The combination of sugar and balsamic vinegar will take it to the next level. Add salt, stir, then reduce the sauce that is formed, cooking on reduced heat. Then switch off the heat. Make sure it doesn't burn. Let's cook our patties. Heat the pan until smoking hot. Then add oil, then brown your patties on medium to high heat. To avoid them releasing water, do not crowd them. Fry them on medium to high heat. Do not cook them through to avoid them getting dry in the oven. Once browned, put them aside to cool. I didn't have BBQ sauce. Let's prepare it. In a bowl, place tomato sauce or ketchup, sugar, smoked paprika because I wanted it smoked, salt and pepper. I've used black pepper, then mix. At this point, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 15 minutes before baking. By now we know the story of a rock hard garlic and onion powder. I'm grating the onion powder now. add it to the sauce, barbecue sauce, and mix well. Oh, those lumps were raining on my parade. You may add barbecue spice, that's optional. Otherwise, your barbecue sauce is ready. Let's prepare our puff pastry. Sprinkle flour on a clean surface, flat surface. Do not roll your puff pastry this time, just to avoid it getting thin. Cut pastry circles bigger than your fried patties for the bottom. Then for the tops, cut even more bigger than the bottoms. I hope you understand what I'm saying. It's just few centimeters bigger than the bottoms to cover both the top and the sides and reach the bottom. Please note, I kept the pastry in the fridge until I'm ready to use it, then dusted it with flour and did not roll it. Do not throw the leftover pastry. Place the cut pastry in a lined baking tray. Let's assemble the pies. Add slices of mozzarella cheese on top of the pastry. Follow with our fried patties. Then add the BBQ sauce. Follow with our caramelized onions. Am I saying the word correctly? Caramelized. No, caramelized. Top up with cheese slices again. Mine were not even slices. Close with the tops, then seal the edges with a fork. Trouble in paradise, I've cut my tops smaller. I had to maneuver the tops until they reached the bottoms. Thank goodness the dough is stretchy. This is not advisable though, because our hands are hot and pastry dough needs to stay cold. So after the maneuvering, putting it back in the fridge would help. Mold the leftover dough. You may need to sprinkle some flour on it, then roll it, not too thin, then cut more circles. Let's prepare the egg wash. Beat an egg or add milk to an egg. I still needed to use my egg whites, so I added the milk there and mixed, or you may use the milk only or the egg only. Brush the dough with the mixture and or egg or milk. Please press the like button and add your comment below. Score the tops of the pastry with a sharp knife so to allow the steam to escape, and as a decor. Sprinkle some black and white sesame seeds, that's optional. Then bake them for 25 minutes or until they are golden. Once they are baked, let them sit on the baking tray for about 10 minutes before you move them. They are super delicious. Try them as the recipe is. You will not regret. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.